Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel. And today I have swatches of the OPI's 2019 Scotland Fall Collection. I ordered the Scotland collection from OPI about 2 months ago. I have been just really busy and did not really have time to either play with these nail polishes or even swatch them for you. Today I am finally getting around at least to show you some bottle shots or close-ups, and also I will show you these swatched on a nail wheel. All of the swatches are 2-coat, and that's pretty much for most of these colors. They are 1 to 2 coaters, and I really have to say that I did enjoy this entire collection so far, even though, as I mentioned, I did not have a chance to really wear them on my nails. Let me know in the comment section if you picked up any of these polishes and how do you like them. And of course, if you would like to see more review swatch videos on my channel, then make sure that you also thumbs up this video for me. And if you don't want to miss out on any future review videos, then hit the subscribe button. I will appreciate that a lot. So I'm not gonna talk too much. I did purchase these polishes from polishpig.com. I will leave for you everything in the description box in case if you would like to check it out for yourself. And I really like ordering from this website because they have very quick shipping and they are among the first ones who usually have the entire collection. So I was lucky enough and I got the entire collection. I believe it's 14 pieces, 12 from the regular line, and then 2 that are typically special polishes, I believe Ultra exclusives, but this time Polish Pig also had those available. So let me jump into showing you some close-ups and swatches, and then I will come back and share my thoughts with you on them. guys, what are your thoughts on these nail polishes from OPI? I am actually really loving this entire collection. I think OPI did a really good job. I'm not saying that the colors are necessarily unique, but I still fully enjoy them. And surprisingly, one of my favorite colors from this collection is definitely Red Hat Ahead. That's the red one. And of course, Susie Needs a Locksmith. That's the orange one. Those two colors are just absolutely beautiful. Yeah, they're just stunning. So I would definitely recommend you picking up this collection if you haven't yet, because the polishes are absolutely stunning, gorgeous, and I think you really need them and they would complement your collection, especially if you are collecting OPI nail polishes. So great job, OPI. I thoroughly enjoyed this collection, and I really don't have anything else to say. I don't have any unfavorites. They're really pretty fall colors. I really enjoy them all. So guys, that will be all from me for today. Let me know what your thoughts, comments, and I will be back with some more soon. So thank you. Bye bye.